Failure to comply will result in forceful intervention.
All units, possible suspect or suspects reported near your location. Received. Will engage if necessary.
Activity will result in arrest. Surrender yourself. Failure to comply.
Just witnessed a road accident. Over.
Halt. Failure to comply will result in
Received. Ramming the suspect.
Immobilize that vehicle!
Keep it together. Keep it together.
Due to increased levels of terrorist threat, non-essential travel is not advised.
Control, we're pursuing the suspect.
Control, I've lost the target.
Disappointing.
Coming up today on The Upload, we're talking about Sky Larson, the enigmatic
Control, we
founder
are
of
unsighted
Broker
of suspect. Over.
Everyone knows her name, but no one knows too much about her. And we're
Search
being
has
seen
yielded
these
no
days
results.
as a
Report back to
hologram.
HQ.
She was pretty young when she launched Broker Tech, the company that is best known for introducing Bagley to the world. Nowadays, it's hard to remember a world before Bagley.
Bagley is the most advanced, significant AI of our time, and it's really blown all the other AIs that were created out of the water. And I think that what Sky Larson's done with Bagley is absolutely incredible.
Yeah, I mean, I can't really imagine the optic without it. But what do you know about Sky Larson herself?
Not a lot, other than that she's actually pretty incredible. I followed her for a long time, and she's always been a pretty private person. I know that she probably grew up in the countryside, but there isn't actually that much story we know about her, other than this tech that she put out into the world.
I've always found it a bit creepy that she's so obsessed with this idea of transhumanism.
Why wouldn't it be when you've got
Control, send emergency vehicles when available.
Control, we have an injured civilian on our hands.
Target is not complying. Over.
one of these people that has been inspired by